Second question. A convex lens forms a real image 4 times magnified at a distance of 60 centimeter from the lens. Calculate the focal length and the power of lens. Just be careful for that. What type of images are formed by the convex lens? Same pattern, the convex lens. The lens is convex. So forms a real image. Another, it is forming the real image. And second data is that it forms the image, magnified image of 4 times. Magnification, you know the formula, magnification equal to, magnification equal to V upon U formula. Hamesha you have to use M equal to V upon U. And that is magnified 4 times. 4 times means that is a magnification 4. So you should be thinking that actually that 4 should be minus or the plus. Real image formed. Real means if the magnification is negative for the real image, positive for the virtual image. Be careful that. So magnification formula V upon U, that will be never changed. Only in case of the lens, M equal to V upon U, and magnification 4 means that will be the minus 4. Minus 4. This data magnified at a distance of 60 centimeter from the lens. Calculate the focal length of, as it is the real image. As it is the real image, and the image is formed at 60 centimeter from the lens. Image is formed at 60 centimeter from the lens. So it is V equal to, what will be the V? So V will be equal to 60 centimeter. That is the real image on the right side. So automatically it will be the plus 60 centimeter. Calculate the focal length and the power of lens. So use these formulas. You can calculate the U also here. So V upon U equal to minus 4. So what will be the V? V equal to minus 4 into U, that is equal to 60, or U will be equal to 60 upon minus 4, that is equal to minus 15 centimeter. You calculated the U and you know the V, calculate the F. Because the second question is to calculate the focal length and power of lens. So for the focal length, you can use the formula 1 by V minus 1 by U equal to 1 upon F. 1 by V equal to 60 centimeter minus 1 upon U equal to minus 15 centimeter, that is equal to 1 upon F. Or you can tell 1 upon 60 plus 1 upon 15, that is equal to 1 upon F. Or LCM is 60, so it will be 1 plus 4, that is 1 upon F. Or 5 upon 60, that is equal to 1 upon F. Or you calculated F equal to 60 upon 5, that is equal to 12 centimeter. The focal length is F is 12 centimeter. You calculated F is 12 centimeter. Again the question is, what is the power of focal length? Already you have calculated. What is the power of lens? Power of lens P equal to, you know it, 1 upon F if F is in meter, and 100 upon F if F is in centimeter. But F is in centimeter, 12 centimeter. So you can use this formula 100 upon 12. So this will be equal to, you cut it by the 100 upon 12, 2, 6, 2, 50, 2, 3, 2, 25. That is equal to 25 upon 3. 3 8 is 24, 8.3 diopter. So power of the lens is 8.3 diopter. You just mind it, because I am focusing it only for that magnification. The important term is the magnification. For the convex lens, for any type of spherical lenses, magnification M equal to V upon U. You do not toss this formula M equal to V upon U. You cannot apply the sign convention here directly. If the magnification, if the image is real, then you put it for the minus. if the image is virtual, instead of that one, a convex lens forms a virtual image 4 times. Virtual image. If the question will be the virtual image, that magnification -4 should be the +4. So that is why m equal to v upon u, that is equal to -4, and v already you know it, and from here you can calculate the u, simply -15 centimeter. You are finding u and you are finding v, and put all this u and v in equation in lens formula without changing the sign convention here. Now +60 and here -15. Accordingly you keep it here and you can calculate the f, focal length equal to 12 centimeter. You check it here, as it is the convex lens, the focal length always will be positive. If it is negative, if suppose by mistake if it comes -12 centimeter, means you think it that your numerical is going to be wrong. So f equal to 12 centimeter means that is focal length positive, so automatically it is a real image and convex lens is formed here. Okay, thank you.